I'm Dave Verve from Dave's Ultimate Automotive in Austin, Texas, and we are talking about checking your oil. And like many fluids in your car, it's one of the most important in your car. It needs to be checked periodically, and what you're looking for is to make sure it's not low or extremely dirty. Everybody should have an interval in which they change the oil. Most common is 3 months, 3,000 miles. This fluid check is done with the engine off. You want to go ahead and identify the dipstick, usually in the front part of the engine compartment. In newer cars, they might even have something on the hood or decal to identify where each indicator is to check each fluid. Usually it's some bright color. This one is yellow. What you want to do is go ahead and pull the stick out. You don't want to look at it right off the bat. You may want to look at the color. Go ahead and wipe it clean so you get a good reading. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Then you want to stick it back in the tube all the way down until it's completely flush in the tube. Pull it out. Keep it right side down so it doesn't flow up the stick. And you're looking for an indicator mark, usually a set of cross hatches between two holes. That's pretty common. A minimum and maximum, you just want to make sure you're somewhere in the middle of that grid, and you'll be fine. You want to make sure it's not extremely dirty. This is nice, clean oil. Black oil would indicate that you need to have it changed. Once again, 3 months, 3,000 miles for most intervals. I would recommend checking it at least every 1,000 miles or so.